All right, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing this spacer right here on the 335. This works on any E90 or E82, anything with a rear differential. Apparently this is for lowered cars, which this car is a bit lowered. It's pretty flush. So we're going to be trying it out. Company sent this out to me, Bevinsee. I might correct that. But anyways, it's pretty self-explanatory, just a spacer that goes in between your differential or no, CV axles. Comes with the whole kit, comes with the spacers for each side and new bolts. So we're gonna be putting it in today. Here's the spacers and the new bolts it comes with. They look pretty heavy duty, I guess. Here are the OEM ones. I already did one side. These are like aluminum, one-time use. So these feel a bit more heavy duty, but who knows. I kind of don't like how they're Allen bolts, but it is what it is. So this is the one side that's complete already. You can see we got differential, spacer, and CV axle right there. On this side, started loosening it up, but you can see there's no spacer in between. Pretty self-explanatory, I think. Just get yourself a E-Torx socket with the sort of extension, an E12 to be exact. And just go ahead and reach up here, put the parking brake and put it in gear and just start snapping these things loose and you should be good to go. All right, hopefully you guys can see. Look at these Bevinsee, what are these, arms? But we upgraded the bushings and the arm itself. That's a separate video though. But today we're gonna be loosening up this, putting a spacer in between. So like I said, all you need to do is just go up on in here and start breaking these things loose. Not, you know what I mean. All right, so get the socket on there, the extension, and break it loose. Now that I broke them loose, pretty simple. Go and there we go. What we saw, we open this up. You kind of scoot it onto the side like that. So y'all saw, you open this up a little bit, get your spacer. All right, get your spacer, jam it in between here or onto the axle itself first, like so. Okay, that looks good. Now we just gotta push it a little bit in like that, and holes lined up, right? Yep. So there we go. Holes should be pretty much lined up, only goes in one way. So yeah, I'll put in the new bolts. Once you do, you just basically put your little bolt and put the little bracket thing that goes with the bolt there. Start threading it on. Should line up. All right, so we got everything torqued down. This is how they look like. You can see those spacer in between. Bolts are tightened down. Nothing too crazy. Let's see if we see a difference in it. But here's also the Bevinsee